Do you want to learn how you can make an amazing blog website like this one without any coding as a complete beginner? In this video, I'm going to show you the best website builder that you can use as a beginner for blogging. The website builder that we're going to be using to make our website is called Wix. Wix is a free website builder that you can also use for blogging. What you can do is click on the Get Started button on the Wix website. They will then send you over to the sign in or sign up page. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up and you can then sign up for a free account. You can continue with Facebook, with Google, or you can simply create your account. Once you've signed up for your account, they will send you over to your dashboard where you can click on create new site in the top right corner. They will then ask you this specific question. What you can do is select a specific category such as blogging, or you can click on other, and I recommend doing that. Now next up, we actually have a very important decision. So we can let the Wix ADI system create a website for us, or we can use the Wix website editor so that we can choose a template. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So I highly recommend choosing that option. Now this is where you can find all of the templates. So all of these are done for you templates, website templates that you can use, and you can then customize it so that you can fill it out with your own content, your own pictures, and your own information. What I recommend doing is clicking on blog because we're here to make a blog website. So if you click on blog right there and click on the normal blog, you'll find all different categories within blogging as well. So if you simply scroll down, you can see that they've got over 6 pages of blogging templates that you can then use, all right? So what you can do is scroll through these and then find one that fits for you. And I'm pretty sure that they've got literally every single niche included. So what you can do, let's say you want to start a recipe blog, is find the specific template for that. You could then view it at first just to make sure that you actually like it. So I recommend clicking on view full demo, which will then send you over to the entire template. So this is what the template looks like on your PC. If you then scroll down, you'll pretty much see what you'll get within the template. You can also check their mobile version by clicking right here and you'll see what that looks like. Now, if you know for sure that you want to use this, what you can do is click on edit this site in the top right corner, and this will then send you over to the Wix website editor where you can build out your website with your own content. And I'll show you how you can do that right now. And here we are inside the free website builder from Wix. So this is where you can create your own blog. So you can see that this is the template that I chose. What you can now do is fill all of this out with your own content. So first of all, what you can do is click on the text right there, click edit text, and you can then customize the name. So this is not my blog name. Let's say my blog name would be How To Digital. What I'll do is simply type in How To Digital just like that, and click right there, and you can see that that actually changes. And that's how you can edit your entire website. So if you don't like this section, you can go manage media and you can change the specific images that show up as the recipe images. All right, so you can see that it's set at your own images. So if you go over here, you'll find these images and then also the title. So what you can do is delete this one and then you can upload another one. All right, so I had to change it. So what you can do is replace image right there, and you can then upload an image from your own computer or even from Wix, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. So if I type in food right here, you guys will see that all of these images will show up and you can actually use them. So I have to search, there we go. And then, yeah, this is pretty much it. So let's say I want to include this picture on my blog. I click add to page and then it will show up. And that's pretty cool. As you can see, number 4, I can then change the title to XYZ recipe, just like that, and then describe your image, XYZ image, and you guys get the point. You can then also link to your specific blog post, which is why it's great to have that on your main website like right away. So if people click, you can send them over to that specific recipe blog post, which is really cool. Now this is how you would build your entire website. You simply click on the section, you click edit. You can also remove sections. You can make them bigger, smaller by stretching them. So yeah, all of this is drag and drop kind of, and you can just click. You don't need any coding to build out the website. Now, if you want to go live, you would have to publish it. For that, you can use a free Wix domain, or you can upgrade and buy an actual domain name, but the website builder is free. If you go to pages and then blog pages, you'll find all of the recipes and all of it, and that's where you can start building out your blog. Now, if you go to preview in the top right corner, you can also see what your blog currently looks like. So if I go to the homepage, we'll see that this is my blog post, my blog website as of right now. Pretty cool, right? So if I click on Halloween, I can send them over to my Halloween recipes. And then if I scroll down, I'll get to see all of that. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and that's, in my opinion, the best website builder that you can use for blogging, alright? If this simple video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. That would help me out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions or any concerns, and then I'll help you out, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.